One Martin Carlo, it's about to be mine. Yep. See, look, let's go around. Cool. Nice rims. Inside. Nice interior. And then coming back around. Whew. One speaker. I know you guys thinking, why one speaker? It's out here. Dang. That's mine. Watch. Oh, here it comes. Yeah, it's about to be mine. Yeah, it's about to be mine. Tight. 2001 Monte Carlo. They can do all that, Well, proving them wrong, alright? We're bringing the Monte Carlos back. I'm about to have butterfly doors in like a month. It's all good. Uh-oh, here comes the beats again.
That should be good.
My shadow's tight. Yep.